Hello everyone, welcome to It's Crochet O'Clock. My name is Stephanie and today we are working on the KnitCrate. I'm so excited. I love it when I get squishy mail. I love it. Oh, it's so much. So this month, KnitCrate is doing something super awesome for all of you guys. If you click on my link below to go to the KnitCrate website, please use it because it's my affiliate link and that's how they keep track of who's doing their job and who isn't. So that would be great if you did. But whenever you do that, you go to their website, you will get a pop-up this month. And it's this huge, like, Wheel of Fortune wheel where you can enter your email and it will spin, and every section has a different prize on it. There's all kinds of prizes on it, like $25 off a artisan crate for the month, which is huge. You could get an artisan crate for practically nothing, and you can stack that on top of your regular KnitCrate membership. So if you've already used my affiliate link, thank you, and you've already used Crochet O'Clock 20 as your 20% off discount code for your first month of KnitCrate, and you're still a subscriber, thank you, then you can still go and play the Wheel of Fortune, and you can possibly get that $25 off an artisan crate and get 2 boxes this month instead of just 1. Yay! Squishy mail. So that's my spiel for this month. Can we just go ahead and get into the yarn? Because I really want to see the yarn. Okay. I have my trusty box opener. Let's get in here. Yes! Guys ready? Let me see. I'm gonna peek before I show you guys. Huh. Ah! Look! Oh my goodness, you guys, look! Look at this. It's coming up a lot darker on the camera than it actually is. Like this is navy right there, but this is just this beautiful, like stone-washed denim color. This is glorious. What is this? Vitalana is the name, Vitalana by KnitCrate. The colorway is Night. It is 329 yards. It's 70% superwash merino wool, 20% silk, and 10% cashmere. Guys, this box right here, these 2 hanks of yarn, it's 20 bucks. Seriously, 20 bucks. And this has to be the softest yarn I've ever gotten in KnitCrate. Like, normally I always like the bases that we get in KnitCrate. It's just the colors, the particular colors that I get that I'm not too fond of. And they normally always feel great, even if it's a fiber that I don't typically like. But this is super squish, you guys. Oh, this is so lovely. And I'm so happy with the color that I got. Let's look at the books. So Dash Dot Dash, we have 2 of these books. One is a crochet pattern book, and then another one is a knitting pattern book. Let me see. Just got to make sure that I don't show you guys any codes, because that would be bad. Yes, there's codes on there, so I can't show you that. But this is the crochet pattern. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And I'm assuming that you guys that you can get this purple in here too. Let me pull this up and read this. The crochet designer this month is Cecilia Losada, and she is from Argentina. There is a 20% off patterns from her Etsy shop in here. And let's see, there's 4 possible colorways this month: lavender, night, pimento, and tapenade. So I have the night. So the night is the blue. That's just pretty. And then the rest of the booklet is the pattern. Yes, the pattern. So they stopped putting the retail values in here last month. I don't know why they did that, but if you were to go to KnitCrate and you were to go to their actual store to buy this, 1 hank of this yarn is like $25. So if you get the KnitCrate membership, then you get 2 hanks of this for $20. And if you use the code crochet-o'clock20, you get 20% off of that. So you get it for $15 for your first month. So the knitting pattern, this is the knitting pattern this month. Look, I'm trying to get the glare off of there. That's so pretty, you guys. Let me see. Ann Poldesack is the knitting designer, and there is a 20% off coupon for her Ravelry store. So we got 2 20% off coupons this month, 2 patterns. For those of you who have never watched any of my KnitCrate unboxings, KnitCrate has 4 different boxes that you can choose from. This is the regular membership box where you get the 2 hanks of yarn, a knitting pattern, and then a crochet pattern, and that's $20. Then they have the sock crate, which is just 1 hank of yarn and 1 knitting pattern. Sorry, I can't talk today for some reason. They have the artisan crates, which is a little bit different. They switch out pattern designers every month, but with the artisan crates, they also switch out dyers. So there's a new indie dyer every single month, and you will never be able to buy those yarns again. They're specific to those crates. There's an artisan crate where you'll get 2 hanks and 1 knitting pattern in that crate, and then there's an artisan sock crate where you'll just get 1 hank of the indie dyed yarn. But this is a little bit different because this is hand dyed. Yeah, I could tell this is hand dyed. And you can tell by the way that the colors are going in here. This is just stunningly beautiful, you guys. I wish it was, why do cameras never want to show colors properly? This is just, it's gorgeous and lovely. So that's September's KnitCrate. It really is just, I'm in love with it. I want to start playing with it immediately because I love it. Oh, so much. But then I don't want to start messing with it because I just want to sit here and squish it. Okay, so I'm going to leave you guys. Don't forget that they're doing the Wheel of Fortune thing at the KnitCrate website. Click the link in the description box below. It will take you straight there. Pop-up window will pop up. Enter your email, spin the wheel, see if you get some good stuff. I hope that you do, but please use my affiliate link below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!